Every time I see your face, my heart begins to sigh. Something about the way you smile, it makes the world. Every time I see your face, my heart begins to sigh. Something about the way you smile, it makes the world feel right. When you whisper on my name, the stars all start to gleam. You're the one I've waited for, the answer to my dream. You're the one for me. I know it's
Looks like we got a detour.
inside belongs to you. No matter where I roam, no matter what I do, you're the one for me. My heart's with you.
What color?
When the night is falling soft and shadows start to play, I can hear your laughter drift from 1,000 miles away. You're the calm within my storm, the reason I believe. You're the one who taught my heart what love was meant
Little
to
mushroom up
be.
there. Can you reach it?
For me, I know it's
Do we go down or to the right? Let's go to the right. Morning. That view. See American River right there. With the foggy weather, it's kind of empty out here. It's kind of creepy, but kind of cool. definitely come back out. I think I only seen a couple runners. It's a cool tree. A lot of poison oak. First little stream, not much, but we're almost to Calcutta Falls. Hopefully it's bigger than this. Another little platform. I think I finally ran into some people up there. It's kind of like a little mini canyon. Yeah, I hear water. I don't know if it's the river, the American River down below, or if it's the actual waterfall. Let's see. It says we're pretty close. I hear people, so we must be close. I think this is it. Yep, there it is. Let's get a little closer and check it out. Here's another angle. Let's get up on this rock. I wonder if I get it up there. I'm gonna try to get up there a little higher. Let's see. I might have touched poison ivy, I'm not sure. Oh well. I don't know if I want to go much higher. Alright, I think it's time to head back. Alright, I'm gonna head back down without trying to slip. Maybe get one last shot of the waterfall. Super slippery. Alright, time to head back. Alright, almost back. I think like half a mile. There's the Forest Hill Bridge. I don't know if you could see it. We're back to No Hands Bridge. I think that's what it's called. Normally you could just walk that way across No Hands Bridge and get all the way back to the parking right across over there. But they have construction, so I have to do this detour. Almost back. And then right to the left right here is Highway 49. No Hands Bridge. You can see some construction down there. I don't know if you can see that. You can kind of see that.
Every time I see your face, my heart begins to sigh.
6.
Something about the way you smile, it makes